Hello, I'm Christopher. In this video, you will learn how to create discounts using the discount rules and dynamic pricing for WooCommerce Easy Discounts plugin. This plugin has features to create simple to advanced discounts, including percentage and price discounts, manual and automatic coupons, quantity breaks, bulk discounts, product bundle and group discounts, BOGO deals like buy 2 get 1 free, and automatic product additions to the cart. First, download the discount plugin from asanaplugins.com, the link is available in the video description. Let's create a percentage discount for products and categories. After installing the plugin, navigate to the Woo Pricing Discounts menu, then open the Pricing tab. Next, click the Add from Template button, choose the targeted sale campaign, and then click the Add Campaign button to create it. In the message field, set a message for the campaign. This message will be shown on the product page. You can also leave it blank. Now choose percentage to give a percentage discount, or price discount to give a fixed dollar amount off. After choosing the discount type, set the discount amount in the adjustment field. Under the Discounted Products section, you can apply the discount to specific products, variations, categories, attributes, or tags. Let's choose Products in List to give the discount to specific products, and then select the products. Now click the OR button to give the same discount to product variations. Select Product Variations in List and choose the variations that should be discounted. To apply the same discount to entire product categories, simply add a new condition called Categories in List. Then select the categories you want to include in the discount. Under the Date and Time section, you can schedule the discount for specific dates, times, or days of the week. In this example, I've scheduled the discount. Now click the Save button to save your campaign. When you open the product page, both the applied discount and the countdown timer are clearly displayed, giving customers a clear view of the active offer. Now take a look. The discount is successfully applied to the specific product we chose, the variation, and the category we selected, all working exactly as configured. Let's create a quantity-based discount. The more quantity users buy, the more discount they get, which encourages more sales. In the pricing campaign templates, select the bulk category, then choose the bulk savings campaign. After that, click the Add Campaign button to create the campaign. Now you can edit the campaign name to anything you like. I'll stick with the default name. In the message field, you can set a message to be shown on the product page. You can add a custom message or leave it blank for no message. Under the Quantities section, edit the default quantity ranges and their associated discounts to your desired settings. You can give a percentage or price discount per range. Here, I'll edit the last range and also add another range to it. You can add extra ranges using the Add button, or delete ranges using the Delete button next to each one. Under the Discounted Products section, you can select products, product variations, categories, tags, or attributes to apply the discount to specific items. Here, I'll select specific products and product variations to give the discount on them. Under the Date and Time section, you can schedule the discount for specific dates, times, or days of the week. I'll leave it blank for an unscheduled discount. It is done. Let's save the campaign to see it in action. Let's open the product page to see the result. As you can see, the quantity table and the message are shown properly on the product page. The discounts are correctly applied to the product when the user changes the quantity. Each range has a different discount, and the plugin properly updates the product price based on the selected range. After adding products to the cart, the discount is properly applied based on the discount specified for that range. Now let's create user role-based pricing. Open the Pricing tab, click the Add from Template button, then choose the role-based pricing campaign. After that, click the Add Campaign button to create it. In the message field, you can set a custom message for the campaign or simply leave it blank. Now choose percentage to give a percentage discount, or price discount to give a fixed dollar amount off. After choosing the discount type, set the discount amount in the adjustment field. Under the Discounted Products section, you can apply the discount to specific products, variations, categories, attributes, or tags. Let's choose Products in List to give the discount to specific products, and then select the products. Now click the OR button to give the same discount to product variations. Select Product Variations in List and choose the variations that should be discounted. To apply the same discount to entire product categories, simply add a new condition called Categories in List. Then select the categories you want to include in the discount. Under the Conditions section, you'll find a roles condition. Let's select which user roles qualify for this discount. Here, I'm choosing the Administrator and Wholesale user roles. Now click the Save button to save your campaign. As you can see, the percentage discount is correctly applied to the selected product. And it's working perfectly in the cart, applying the discount to the selected products. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please check the video description for the dynamic pricing for WooCommerce plugin link. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WooCommerce related videos.